Welcome to this class in our Learn English Writing series, where we discuss each of the punctuation marks used in English. In this class, we'll discuss brackets. So, what are brackets? Now, first of all, brackets are denoted by this sign in blue. The definition of a bracket, it's a sign used to enclose words within a sentence. So that's the primary function of the brackets, to enclose words within a sentence. So let's move forward and learn more about brackets. So let's talk about the first point. Brackets are used to enclose comments or explanations within a quotation not written by the author. So I want us to capture the key information in this first rule of brackets. Brackets are used to enclose comments or explanations within a quotation that is not written by the author. So it's used to enclose explanations or comments within a quotation not written by the author. Now, brackets are used to help the reader get a clearer understanding of a quote by inserting explanatory words or phrases within the quote. The brackets tell the reader that the enclosed word or phrase is not an original part of the quote. Let's look at these examples. Number one, good design of automobiles involves efficient operation, sound construction, and pleasant form. So, looking at this sentence, the words put in brackets are the phrase of automobiles. Now, this phrase is not an original part of the sentence. It was included to let us know that the author of the original sentence meant automobiles. That he was speaking of automobiles when he said good designs involves efficient operation, sound construction, and pleasing forms. So now the words put in bracket give us more information. So now we know that the author is talking about automobiles. Let's go on to the next example. Number 2. Business Day reports that Ndubisi Ekekwe of Tikidia is a talented individual. So now the Business Day reports in the original form should read Ndubisi Ekekwe is a talented individual, but putting the words of Tikidia in bracket gives us more information about who Business Day is talking about. So let's move forward. So this is just a brief summary of the previous slide we discussed. Now, in the examples we just discussed, the phrases that are put in brackets are not a part of the original quotes. We've spoken about that. We've discussed that already. The writer has inserted them to provide more information for our benefits. That is we, the reader. In situations such as these, the additional information is to be enclosed in brackets. Now, the brackets serve two purposes. Number one, they tell the reader that the enclosed word or phrase is not a part of the original quotes. So a reader reading it, he knows that these words put in brackets are not an original part of the quotes. They were added for what? Now, for the second reason, number 2, they provide more information regarding the subject. So that is the function of the words put in brackets. They are not a part of the original quotes. They merely provide more information. They throw more light on the subject.